should have. Do you have a hive tool?
I think I might. Let me go look. You want me to go look?
No, I got it. I got it. So this is full of let's come on. Beekeeping 101. Yeah. Stop it. Don't go in. Don't go in.
I always would wear socks over my...
Yeah, I would wear a full outfit if I had. If I were, like, with it, but I'm not. So you can smoke bees, or you can... You hear that? How quiet they are?
I don't... They seem noisy to me.
So you want to take a look, Amy? See, they're really defensive. I mean, they are defending her.
You just don't want to get stung.
No, you won't.
Okay.
See,
Oh my
how
word.
big she is?
Yep.
She has a real... so she can go down to the combs, into the cell, and lay her eggs. All the other ones that you see are female workers.
Okay.
So now what I'm going to do is find my little... And when you work in bees, you have to like not think about the bees but what you're doing. Because you can easily get like, oh my God!
Right. Right.
Does anyone have a nail or something?
I do.